Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Tom and I flip cars for a living. And right now, I have a 2008 Audi Q7. Excuse me, I started to say Quattro. It is a Quattro, but it's a Q7. The sun's killing me this morning. And it is the cheapest one in the United States as of now. This second it is anyway. Well, let's look at it right here. It's the cheapest running and driving, non-wrecked Q7 on Car Gurus for $3,800. The cheapest one I could find in the ballpark is $4,500, and it's a 2007. Now there is some that's wrecked on there, but this one's not wrecked. It runs and drives. This car has 280 horsepower, 200 foot-pounds of torque at 6,200 RPMs. It seats 7. This car sold new for, I think, right at $42,500. Yeah, that sounds right, $42,500. 6-speed automatic with Triptronic trans. Tows 5,500 pounds. Has a great safety rating. It's one of the safest SUVs or crossovers that's ever been made. At its time, and actually now too, it's very safe. It's a little heavy. It don't have a whole lot of power out of its competitors, the Volvo XC90, the Porsche Cayenne. It's a little heavy and underpowered. It's actually the same platform as a Cayenne, I believe. I'm not positive of that, but they have a whole lot of similar characteristics. If you'll look at the back here, it sort of reminds you of a Cayenne. All right. This one here is up for sale. I have a little bit of work to do on it. It has drilled and slotted rotors. It has that MMI multimedia whatever, and it's very confusing. I mean, it really is. It was supposed to do away with a lot of the confusion to take distractions away from the driver, but I don't think it did. I don't think it succeeded. Right there. Then you got them on the stern wheel and everything. And these here are not working at this time. I'm going to have to take them apart and get some electrical cleaner and clean it. But anyway, we own the, we'll do a cold start, as everyone says. I don't get it. It's 80 degrees. It's not a cold start. The vehicle is cold. It's not cold. It's just not warm. Not much, huh? Here's some pictures of the Q7. It's actually a very good looking car. Like I said, it's the cheapest one in the country as of now, according to Car Gurus. Alright, well, I'm in the Q7 right now, and I was going to do a little video on changing the idler tension pulley, but it was 3 bolts, so I think it's pretty well self-explanatory. So we will see if it's going to take care of it. I've had it running a pretty good while and it's not making no noise, so I'm going to drive it down the road and see what it does here. Hopefully this has got it. And like I said, this will be the cheapest Q7 in the country, according to car gurus. The cheapest one I could find was like $4,500, and it was 07. This one's a newer and has less miles on it. So we'll see. It's smooth. It doesn't have a whole lot of power though, but it's, nope, didn't take care of it. It's back. I think I heard it. We'll take it back. What we got, we'll try something else. Yeah, it's back. Well, back to the drawing board. All right. Well, I found out what was wrong with it, making the noise. The oil filler cap was stopped up and building pressure in the crankcase, causing it to suck for air. Huh. Imagine that. That's a new one on me. Luckily we caught it and it didn't suck no gaskets or nothing out of it. So I think we've got a really nice Q7 for sale, and it's the cheapest one in the country according to car gurus. So it'll be up for sale here in a day or two when we get it cleaned up and drive it a little bit and make sure that that's what it was. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'd like to get up to at least 1,000 subscribers anyway. So thank you. Well, we finally figured out what it was. It was the oil filler cap after I'd already replaced the idler tension pulley on it, but that's okay. It's fixed now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.